Well, hey guys, got another YouTube video coming up. I'm going to be trying to change the bays in my Prevost. The one that is in there right now, the entertainment bay, it had a big CRT TV, so it was huge and it was taking up like 3 foot of the bay in there. And so I ended up trying to rip it out. I didn't try, I ripped it out, and now I don't have anything to put back in there. So right now I'm working on trying to get the Blackstone griddle in there, the LED TV, and then a receiver and a couple different speakers. And I've been filming with the GoPro. It worked pretty good for the filming aspect, but there wasn't any sound quality. And so I ended up getting another camera here and going to give it a try. But yeah, the next videos that kind of follow, just bear with them. We'll get better, they'll get better. So kind of leaves at the end of where I'm at right now. We're going to end up taking a trip to Florida for a couple weeks, and I don't think I have enough time to get everything put back together, so I'm going to try to hodgepodge something in there. But if you guys have some suggestions or anything, open to them, so we can kind of see what we can come up with when we come back. We'll get enough time to build the bay back, put the TV and the griddle and all that stuff in there. So thanks for watching. Well guys, I'm gonna try to update my bays here. I don't like the TV box. That box is like 2 foot deep, 3 foot deep. It's just taking up a bunch of room in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. The speakers suck, radio sucks. It's got a CD changer. I don't even know who's got CDs anymore. The only thing that's good is that TV. And over here I've got some slide bays, so I'm thinking of trying to put the TV and stuff on the slide bay. So I've got this Blackstone griddle. I'm going to try to put it together, see what it looks like on the slide out tray. Well, I got it lifted in there. This is just kind of for mock-up, but it works. Slide this guy all the way out. Makes it a good working surface. Tight. Although I don't think I'm going to be able to keep it in that direction, because I want to put it in this bay, put the TV, I think, in front of it, unless I have the TV swivel or do something crazy. So then I think I'm probably going to end up being sideways with it. So if I move this guy over, still wouldn't be bad. I stepped on all my crap. I think that'd still work. Still be a ways away from the camper. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Well, I got it out. Had to cut that thing up, get it out of there. I think they took the bay doors off to get it out. So now I got to clean it up in here. Gives me a huge bay. That's got to be like 4 feet by 4 feet by 8 feet. So I'll figure out what to stick in there. Good problem to have, I guess. Well guys, ended up getting a new speaker and camera system, so hopefully this will help make all the videos a little bit better. But ended up getting another amp and some speakers for my camper. So we'll get that Sonos amp and the Klipsch speakers hooked up here, and we'll show you what it sounds like. Thought I'd show you this, the Sonos amp. Got the box open, and they package it pretty nice. It's in this felt bag. Oh, I'd rather had another $100, that's for sure, but thought I'd show you this kind of nice packaging. See if I can get this flipped around here. I don't know if I can show it to you there. All right, well, we'll get this hooked up. Well guys, here's my latest setup. Got to figure out a way to get this to travel a little better. Had some rain last night. It looks like I got a little bit of water in the bay, but I've got that Sonos amp hooked up to two 6.5-inch outdoor clip speakers, and sounds pretty good. Got the TV in the back there, and then the griddle back behind it. So we're going to leave in about a week, so I'm just going to try to figure out a way to keep it all from juggling it around. But thought I'd let you see how it sounds. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it sounds awesome. So I got to figure out a way to make it look really good while she's in there. But it's got really good sound. So that's it for now. I think I'm going to try to draw something up and see if I can build it before we take off. But that's it for now. Tune in later. I custom ordered a pull-out tray. But it's not going to come till February. So talk to you guys later.